Visitor Counter. In this project, we will make a bidirectional visitor counter using Arduino and IR sensor. This project is based on a pair of infrared sensor that detects interrupt. When it detects an obstacle, this Arduino bidirectional visitor counter project can be used to count the number of persons entering a hall, shopping mall, office, functions, in the entrance gate. It can also be used at gates of parking areas and other public places. The device counts the total number of people entering through the gate and also the total number of people leaving through the same gate. And finally, it counts the total number of people currently present inside the room. Here is the connection diagram of this project. 16x2 LCD display has 2 lines. Each line can display 16 characters. This display has 16 pins. First pin is ground, second is VCC, then contrast, RS, RW, enable, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, VCC, and ground. Pin 1 and 2 provide the supply for its internal circuitry, and pin 15 and 16 provides the supply for its backlight. We have connected pin number 1, 5, and 16 with the ground pin of Arduino, and pin number 2 and 15 with the 5V. Pin number 4 of LCD is connected to the pin number 12, and pin number 6 of LCD is connected to the pin number 11 of Arduino. Pin 7, 8, 9, and 10 are not used. Pin 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display are connected to the pin 5, 4, 3 and 2 of Arduino respectively. IR sensor module has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output. VCC pin is connected with the 5V pin of Arduino, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. Output pin of one IR sensor is connected with pin number 9 of Arduino. Output pin of second IR sensor is connected with pin number 8 of Arduino. This is the code of our project. To control the LCD display, we will first include its library in the program. To include the library, we will write in the first line, #include liquid crystal.h. Then we will declare the name of the used pins, in the sequence of RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, and D7. Count is an integer type variable. Its initial value is set to 0. Void setup is a function, in which we will declare the input and output pins. We are declaring pin number 8 and 9 as input pins. Void loop. This function will run over and over again forever, so whatever we have written inside it will repeat forever. When any person will enter in the room, then IR sensor 1 will give a high signal at its output. When Arduino pin number 8 received this signal, then it increased the count by 1. When any person will leave from the room, then IR sensor 2 will give a high signal at its output. When Arduino pin number 9 received this signal, then it decreased the count by 1. LCD.clear. This function is used to clear the LCD screen. LCD.print count. This function will print number of person on the LCD screen. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take 3 wires, 1 red, and 2 black. We will use these wires later. Now we will solder a black wire at hole number 1, and red wire at hole number 2 of LCD display. Now we will solder a white wire at hole number 4, and brown wire at hole number 6 of LCD display. Now we will solder orange, yellow, green, and blue wires at pin number 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display. Now connect hole number 16 with hole number 1 using a black wire, and hole number 15 with hole number 2 of LCD display using a red wire. Now connect hole number 5 with hole number 1 of LCD display using a black wire. Now connect hole number 3 with hole number 1 of LCD display through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Now we will connect the LCD display with our Arduino hardware board. Connect the red wire with 5 volt pin and black wire with the ground pin. Now connect white, brown, orange, yellow, green, and blue wires with pin number 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2 of Arduino respectively. Connect the red wire of both the IR sensors with the 5 volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, yellow wire of one IR sensor with pin number 8 of Arduino, and green wire of second IR sensor with pin number 9 of Arduino. Now we will power up our circuit and test its functionality. When any person will enter inside the room, then he will cross the first IR, then Arduino will increase the count. When any person will exit from the room, then he will cross the second IR, then Arduino will decrease the count. Arduino will print the total number of person in the room on the LCD display. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.